Hi, this is Benjamin, the developer of Junction. It's been a little while since there's been an update for Legacy, so I wanted to show you what's been happening. What I'm about to show you is a work in progress, so there's still some polish to be added to the game. This is the new load screen for Junction Gate Legacy. Let's explore the new options. The gameplay settings page will allow you to choose how you want to play the game and give you some additional control over the UI. The volume settings now allow you to select a volume level or to toggle a type of sound on or off. And here you can reference the hotkeys for the game, some of which have been added for accessibility purposes. In the About section, you'll be able to learn information about the game, view the credits, the release notes, follow Junction Gate on social media, and also get updates on the other Junction Gate games. Finally, the Help section will integrate a full tutorial for playing the game. It also has a tech tree to reference for building facilities and performing research. And if you run into any bugs, now you have a place to report them. Now let's check out a new game. There are 3 starting scenarios, each of which will start you at a different place in the timeline. Let's choose Commonwealth, which is the most advanced scenario. For each new game, you'll be able to choose different options for how you want to customize the gameplay. I'm still integrating these into the game, but they should add a lot of variance for game style difficulty. By customizing the number and behavior of factions and pirates, you can choose between a more peaceful type of game or one focused more on combat. The sabotage setting will add more espionage gameplay, and the trading ship frequency will give you options to make money outside of the stock market. These are things that still need to be added to the game. Each scenario has a brand new custom start story, appropriate to its place in the timeline.
Please provide access credentials.
Here's the new character selection screen. These portraits will be chosen randomly from a large pool of potential characters, so there will be a different group each game. Clicking on the character portrait will also change the generated name. And of course, you can always enter in a name manually.
Administrator access granted. Hangar is online. Shipyards are online. Ship construction completed. Resuming operations. New facility available.
As a part of the Commonwealth scenario, you now start with a scout ship already in your hangar, ready to explore. I'm currently working on a complete overhaul of diplomacy and factions. It's not done yet, so I'll only show you a little bit, with more to come next month. One of the big changes is that factions will be chosen from a pool of over 30 potential factions, each with their own history and flags. These are no longer randomly generated as they were in the past. You'll also be able to tell the number of colonies a faction has, the population, the number of credits, military strength, and espionage capabilities directly from the faction list. The intelligence report will give you a wealth of information on each faction, but you'll need to work to get that data. More on that process next month. In order to facilitate these and other upcoming changes to Junction Gate Legacy, the entire codebase of over 15,000 lines of code has been completely refactored and reorganized, clearing out a lot, but not quite all, of the existing technical debt. You may have also noticed a computer voice earlier in the video. The voice is part of the audio overhaul. There are 135 separate lines of dialogue for Junction Gate's computer. The computer will alert you to updates as you play the game, and you'll be able to control it independently from the sound effects and the music. That's it for this month's update video. Next month will feature more updates on Junction Gate Legacy, as well as another update on the 3D version of Junction Gate.